Hello, Sarah. Can you hear me well? Hello? Oh, your voice. It's the same, Sarah. Try to check yours audio. I can hear,
But
but you sound like a chipmunks.
Alvin and the Chipmunk.
Yeah, but can you hear me well?
Yes.
Oh, but now it's okay. Okay, now tell me about your day, Sarah.
You know the movie called Alvin and the Chipmunk. Do you know it?
Oh, it's mm-hmm.
Do you know it?
No, I don't understand. I'm really sorry. I don't know why is it that I cannot hear you well. And I hear some of the words. It's just that you it sounds like a chipmunks. Do you know what a chipmunk is?
Yes.
Like a squirrel?
Yes.
Like that? Yeah, it doesn't sound well. Yeah, I'm not sure about my with my earlier I can hear her well. But there was the time that
Well.
I couldn't hear her. Okay, so can you
So,
try to go to your audio settings, Sarah? Then you then please check the audio settings. You try to do mic test.
okay. Oh my
All right.
God.
Okay, so there you are. Can you hear me well?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, very good. Okay, so what is the weather there?
Very good. Yeah.
Yes. So finally, I can hear you well. So what did you
What?
do,
Đang học mà
Sarah?
má. Con đang
So
học
what did
mà.
you do? Okay, so what did you do, Sarah? Did you try to check your audio?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yes. So yeah, I told you that it was your problem because I also tried to check mine. Anyway, so last week we learned Unit 14. It was all about are you hungry or Thursday.
I
Then we also learned some different kinds of foods that belong to each category. We have fruits, vegetables, meat made with flour, and food that's made of milk.
ah
Okay, so for
wait
tonight,
wait
we are
wait
going to continue with
wait.
our lesson. Okay, so to get started with,
Đó.
I want you to look at
Đúng
part
đấy
B.
đấy.
Read the sentences, then you guess what Julia is talking about because Julia is the master chef here. Okay, so this woman is called Julia. Can you read number one, Sarah?
Yes. Can make this as whole eggs and flour. But I bought a bag. Cô không muốn.
So what do you think is it?
Um, is noodle.
Noodles, very good. Or what we call pasta. Now, what about number two? Your turn again to make cold ones.
Tomato, like salad, egg, hot tart between two pieces of bread. Some people like making hot one with cheese or meat inside.
So what is it?
Sandwiches.
That's
Sandwiches.
right. Very good. Now, what about number? Oh, okay. Now look at number one, Sarah. So which words in sentence number one help you to choose pasta?
What do you ask me?
I mean, which words in sentence number one gave you the clue that the answer is pasta?
Is the word egg and flour and hot water. Uh, and I bought it a bag of it from a shop. That's a word. What I found
Yes,
from it.
that's right. So those are the clues. Very good. What about in sentence number two?
Sentence number two. Uh,
Yes.
I saw the word salad, eggs, tram between two pieces of bread, making hot one with cheese or meat inside.
And that's right. Okay, because we put lettuce, cheese, um, some meat or ham inside of the bread. So it's a sandwich. So well done because you got the correct answers in here. Now, I want you to look at sentence number three. This time, you are going to complete the sentences about the other food in the picture. So there's one kind of food in here that doesn't have an answer. So you describe it by completing the sentence and writing your answer on the screen. You can do it, Sarah.
Uh, to make this, you need uh, flour and potato, which you put into thin pieces, and chạy nước coi nè, nó vô rồi con. Mẹ tập mẹ xem coi con tắt camera rồi nè.
Continue, Sarah.
And you need potato and flour, which you put into thin pieces, and không, you need potato and flour rồi mà.
Okay, potato and flour. Then what do you do with the potato?
Which you cut into the thin pieces.
Very good. Then after cutting it, what do you do?
The thin pieces, and sauce and cheese sauce. Cheese sauce.
Okay.
Gia vị gia vị.
Okay. So how do we make fries, Sarah? So we need oil. Then what do we do with the oil to the fries?
We make it hot.
We make it hot. That's right. That's the first step. Very good. Then once the oil is hot, what do we do with the fries in it?
You put the potato to the hot oil.
That's correct. So that's what we call the process of frying. Okay. So when we fry it, that is cooking. So fry, cook, or put, that's all right. You got it correct. Now, what do people eat with fries?
People eat them with food like burger,
Very good. And
chicken,
yes,
and
that's right.
pasta.
And chicken. Very good, Sarah. Okay, so among the food in here, so we have pasta, sandwiches, and fries. Which one do you like best and why?
One I like best was uh is sandwich
Okay, can you
because
tell me why do you like sandwich?
because I love eat sandwich in my breakfast and my lunch and my dinner because it
Oh,
has
okay.
lots of meats.
Oh, do you eat rice during meals?
Yes, mẹ ăn mới dặn cửa giờ.
Oh, so it's like
Oh,
rice, one dish, then sandwich, right?
yes.
Oh, that's a lot of food for every meal because sandwich itself is rich in carbohydrates. Okay, because it is made with bread and flour. Okay, but it's okay because you have a yummy food and sandwich is also healthy because it is a combination of meat which is rich in protein, um, cheese which is rich in calcium, if I'm not mistaken. Then we have vegetables, which is actually good for our health, plus a little bit of carbohydrate. Okay, so that is actually what the food pyramid tells us about. Are you familiar with the food pyramid? Have you ever heard about the food pyramid?
Yes.
Okay.
Pyramid
So
là cái
what
gì em?
does it tell?
Không phải
What
gì.
does it tells us?
À, ủa pyramid con tưởng là cái tháp ta. Tháp cặp.
Like this one. I'm gonna draw
Tưởng
a
tháp
pyramid
cặp chứ.
like this one. Okay, look. So here
Oh yes.
it is shaped like a pyramid, but it is divided into three categories. So we have the go food, okay, the food that are rich in carbohydrates such as rice, what else? Grains, bread, okay? So those are the food that will give us energy to do things. Then the second one is what we call what's this? Glow food, glow food. Okay, so these are the kind of food that actually makes our skin radiant or glowing.
Teacher,
Okay,
what
then
is number 3? Is the
this is
bigger
grow. Grow. Okay, it will make us taller and build muscles. Okay, so look, where do fruits and vegetables belong to? Go, glow, or grow? Okay, if here, look, rice, bread, pasta belongs to go, then what about glow? What kind of food belongs to glow? To the second
Mm,
one.
is meat.
Okay, nice try. Fruits and vegetables belongs to glow because fruits and vegetables make us beautiful. Okay, it makes our skin glowing. Okay, then what about meat? So this is where meat
Meat.
belongs to.
Chicken
Okay, such as
sausage.
chicken, egg, sausage, that's right. And there's this little part of the pyramid that is still needed in our body, but not too much. Just a little amount of it. Can you guess what it is?
Yes.
What is it?
Is uh,
Vậy hả?
drink,
Chưa tới giờ mà con.
fruits,
Drinks?
juice.
Okay, nice try, Sarah. So this is what we call um food that are rich in
Sao vậy ta?
fats or
Sao vậy?
oil, such as um what I think like the fats that we get from fats because it is made of cholesterol, like the pork skin, like that. So it is rich in cholesterol or fats. So our body still need it, but just a little amount of it. Because if we consume it too much, then we get diseases or we get some sickness, just like hypertension, like that. So those are just some basic things about the food pyramid that can be related to our topic because we are learning about food. So do you have any questions, Sarah?
Nope.
Okay, great. Now, this time, you are going to listen and tick the box. So listen carefully. Here it is.
14C. Are you hungry? Thirsty? Listen and look. 1. What can Julia have for dinner?
What can I have for dinner, Dad?
Would you like a bowl of soup and some cheese, Julia?
Not really. I had that for lunch at Claire's house.
Did you? Well, what about some meatballs with tomato sauce and rice?
Can I have beans with some sausages? I like those much more.
All right.
2. What did David have for lunch?
What did you have for lunch at school today, David?
A burger.
What did you have with it? Fries?
No, I was very good. I had a salad.
Did you have a banana milkshake too?
No, just a glass of water today.
3. What does Katie want for breakfast?
Good morning, Katie. Are you hungry?
Not very. What's for breakfast?
I'm having eggs and tomatoes. Would you like some too?
No. Just bread with jam, please.
Okay. What about some orange juice or strawberry yogurt too?
No, thanks.
Rồi kìa con đứng ở đâu đi mẹ nói Môn đạp xe đây con. Môn mới
4.
gọi về.
What did Frank eat at the party?
Đứng chỗ nào? Chỗ cổ nào?
Did you enjoy the party yesterday, Frank?
Yes,
Môn không?
it was fantastic. We did puzzles and had a dance competition. But there wasn't any birthday cake.
Oh, were there lots of different sandwiches to eat instead?
No, only pizza. But it was delicious. It was as good as yours, Mum.
All right. So you got it all correct. Now let me ask you a question. If you really paid attention to the audio, Sarah, now look at number 1. What can Julia have for dinner?
She'll have sausages and beans for dinner.
That's right. What about David? What did he have for lunch?
He have a burger, a salad, and a cup of water.
Yes, and a glass of water. Okay, so that is actually not really healthy because it has burger, but so much better than being paired with rice. Okay, what about Katie? What did she have for breakfast?
Katie have bread and jam for breakfast.
That's right. And lastly, for Frank at a party?
Frank ate pizza.
Yeah, so perfect for that one, Sarah. Congratulations. Now, what about you? Tell me about the food that you had for breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner.
Today,
Yes.
Today I have a noodle in the breakfast. At lunch I ate rice, soup, and meat.
Very good.
At the dinner I ate noodle and mango.
Noodles and mango. Wow. Well, that's great because it's not very heavy to our stomach, which is actually good. Okay. So, did you enjoy your food for today, Sarah?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so thank you for answering my question, Sarah. And now let's move on immediately with part D. So I'm gonna ask you, oh no, I'm gonna let you read the sentences and complete it. Okay, so by completing it, what are you going to do is to write your answer on the screen, or you can also send your answer in the chat box. So there is actually one example. So each of the questions starts with how often do you? Okay, say for example, in number one, how often do you do sport? So we have do in here. What about number two, Sarah?
Eat different kind of fruit and vegetable. Go for bed very late. Have drink with sugar. Mẹ ơi, chị có câu 4. Câu 4. In
Yes, Sarah, what's
have drink with sugar in them.
very good.
Eat food like burgers, chips, or sausages. Walk up upstairs when you could still use drink four or more glasses of water each day.
Very good.
Forget to eat breakfast. Play on the computer for more than 2 hours each day.
Yeah, so very good because you got it almost perfect. Now let me give you another chance to complete number 7. So what's your final answer here in number 7, Sarah?
Walk up or upstairs.
Walk up or upstairs. Okay, so what's the opposite of up?
Yes.
What do we do with the stairs? So we walk up,
Down.
then what's the opposite?
Downstairs.
Yes, down. So that's walk up or downstairs because that's what we do with the stairs. Okay. So yes, that is perfect, Sarah. Very good on that one. Now I'm gonna ask you these questions, and of course, you will answer it based on yourself or answers that are true to yourself. Now, question number 1, Sarah. How often do you do sport?
I do sport sometimes, but sometimes I forgot.
It's all right. Okay, and what sport do you do?
I play tennis and swimming.
Very good. That's great. Okay, and how often do you eat different kinds of fruits and vegetables?
The most I like bed is the watermelon and also trái sầu riêng nó tiếng Anh sao? Durian. And also durian.
Oh, what is that?
You search on Google.
Oh, I will. Oh, can you? Oh, hold on, because I'm gonna get my phone because I'm not holding my phone. Give me a second.
And also, mm,
Okay, so how do you spell that
a
one?
mango. A mango
Oh, I know what a mango is. How about the other one that you've mentioned?
is a durian.
Oh,
Durian.
that one. How do you spell
Durian.
it? D
D U
U.
R
Oh, you mean
I.
durian?
Yes. Yes.
Durian? Oh,
Yes.
this
Yes.
is what we pronounce it as durian. Okay. So yes, it is a delicious fruit and it smells so good. Do you like the smell of durian?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's nice because you love durian. Only few people like it because most of them don't like the smell of it. Me, I like durian but not very well. I can just have a taste of it. Okay, and how often? Oh, by the way, Sarah, I'm going to extend our class until we're going to have 30 minutes because when we started our lesson, uh it we were just checking for the audio. So is it okay for you if we'll just extend until we'll have 30 minutes?
Yes. Yes.
Are you okay with it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Sarah. Now, question number 3. How often do you go to bed very late?
12 o'clock or sometime 2 o'clock.
Like 2 a.m., right?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that's really late. And what do you do during those time?
I watch iPhone and
What?
I
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I go for a holiday but go home very late.
Ah, yes, that is reasonable. Okay. Then how often do you have drinks with sugar in them?
我may have drink with sugar in them là sao mày?
Bỏ đường vô thức uống á,
Ờ, là
ngoại đường như thế.
ai thấy
Nước uống mà người ta với đường chanh á.
I like lemonade. Lemonade.
Lemonade. Well, that's great. Oh, you can actually ask a lemonade without a sugar in it. So same thing with me when I buy a shake, it could be a mango shake, um what else? Like a watermelon shake, I would ask no sugar in it. Yes, because it's okay to consume sugar, but not too much because we may have diabetes if we eat food that has a lot of sugar. And there are so many drinks that are high in sugar. Example, soda, juice, what else? Milk tea, which is
Uh,
very famous.
milk tea,
Yes, it has.
uh,
Mm,
sweet tea,
that's right.
sweet, and chocolate,
Do you like
hot
that's
chocolate, hot
yes, hot
chocolate.
chocolate, very good. Okay, so do you like drinking milk tea, Sarah?
No, not very well.
Yeah, me too, because it's too sweet. Okay, so number 6, how often do you eat foods like burgers, chips, or sausages?
Sometime on holiday and sometime my mom was very happy. Sometimes.
So your mom's comfort food is burger.
Mm, in Lotteria and some cafes KFC, sometimes Jollibee.
Oh, yes, I love Jollibee. What's your favorite menu in Jollibee, Sarah?
Is for my way.
Uh-huh.
Is fried cheese.
Chips, very good. Okay, so thank you so much for answering my question, Sarah. Now, um, it's finally time. So I will not hold you for so long. Thank you for letting me extend our time. So for today, what did we learn? We continued learning about foods. What else?
You learn about sport, fruits, chocolate, sugar, walk, stare, water, play computer, have and eat.
Okay. So what is something new that you've learned just tonight?
No, not yet.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, because you already learned about the food pyramid, right?
Yeah.
Did you also learn about the go, glow, and grow?
Not yet.
Oh, I mean, before joining tonight, did you already learn about go, glow, and grow? Okay, so you just learned it tonight. Is that right?
Yes.
Well, that's great because you learned something new tonight. Anyway, thank you so much for joining. Have a good night and see you on Thursday. Bye, Sarah.
Bye bye.